the notification bell to see our upcoming videos. We every day post every day.
Why am I walking in the air? Why can't it be so boring?
Yes.
Say one thing, guys. It's for Aurora.
Now when I'm going to after much sleep at
Is that the Aurora? I have a bunny box with me. Yeah, that's Aurora at all.
Yeah.
So I'm scared to open it because someone will come into it. Should I open it? No one's there? I'll try and open it. That's not the Aurora at all.
shit, somebody's money ready.
CC there. Let's kill him. Eliminate him. He's
Yeah.
hiding behind the box.
Oh my gosh.
I came by another different.
Guys, we'll just talk about this today.
Shut up, I
Put the
came.
chap is earlier though. Oh wow. How cool. Wow. I got that.
Oh, it's so
I got purple gog.
the purple RPG and purple skull. I'm just gonna wait. I think someone's gonna land here. I got a green pistol.
Guys are teammates. Oh my gosh.
Someone landed.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
He's in watchdog.
oh,
You crazy that just go up a mile. Watchdog. And our friend goes 66.
he's not. Stuck it. Bro, I'm going to open the Aurora app.
Open and get that.
Help, okay? If something happens.
Yeah, I don't see anybody in this room.
Bro, who's shooting at me?
Wow! Look at this guy's suit, guys.
Who you killed? Someone was trying to kill me. I got legendary scar, but then the legendary AWP and purple RPG.
I'm shooting, guys.
Get out from my house. Oh, who's that? Who's that?
Go here.
Who's shooting me?
Oh,
Oh,
Natty.
again someone shooting me.
Yeah, Natty, come here. I think it's SMG.
Okay. Okay. Bro, she's killing me only.
No, go, jump, keep jumping.
Kill her, no.
Bugatti.
taking the loot, bro.
What did she have also?
Dinosaurs are always with these guys.
There's a shotgun here. Bro, let's go to this thing.
Nice. Close. And close.
Bro, 1 second. I need that purple RPG. Let's go. Let's go, man. Bro, is that a Hellbot? Hellbot means what?
He bought man.
Hellbot means? Bro, there's again some shooting.
No. That's my car. Whoever's sitting. Oh my.
Bring it here, bring it here. Bring it here, you boy. Where are you? Bro, the zone is coming. Come this side.
Nikhil, go fast. Bro, I don't know where's the car. Go to Nikhil.
Where's Nikhil?
I don't know where is
Bring
Nikhil.
it this side. Yeah, this way. Yes, let people get the car.
Killed another way. Yeah, I'll come with another car.
Nikhil just continue.
Guys, I have to break this, guys.
I'm so outside the zone.
I can pick you up, Nati. Where are you?
Where are you? Go fast. Fast.
Look at me. Where am I? I'm just chilling over here.
Go inside. Okay, bus. Whoa, someone there. Shit, I found him. He's a pro. Oh, he's shooting me.
It's a freaking SMG.
Use M134 now.
SMG.
Use your M134. Nihal was knocked by.
Nikhil, man. Kachra default base you make.
Oh, Nikhil and husband M1.
Break this thing. Break the SMG. Fast. And reboot me. Nikhil, Natty, you stand there. Natty, you stand there. Stand there near the reboot card. Read the reboot card. Behind you. Go behind you. Stand there. Yeah, just go straight. Up the mountain there. Up.
Okay, follow.
There. Nikhil, get my reboot card fast. Break it and get my reboot card. Nice plan, right? I make plans. You just go around.
Okay, fast.
Jaldi, Nikhil, get my reboot card. Got? Nikhil, my reboot card.
It was not.
Botting, bro. Actually, I think. Behind the tree, bro, Nikhil. Behind the tree.
Fast, Nikhil. Fast.
He's so close to the place. No, he didn't collect. Yeah, he collected. Nikhil, base. Base up, man. Base up, easy.
Done.
Thanks.
Someone shooting Nikhil? Nihal, the chat was not.
Shit.
Nadi, stand there only. I don't have a gun.
You can recall second time.
Yeah. I don't think so. There's no other time now. We have to go somewhere else now.
Yeah, I don't think so, bro. Because it's not rotating. It's not rotating. It should rotate, right?
And
Just put the ball in front of you and take the book and go around.
Nikhil, go. Nadi, can you give me a gun? Nadi, give me a gun.
What give you?
Bro, I don't have any gun, bro.
So you take his reboot card. Okay, take.
One gun, so I'll break the reboot card and like break the SMG.
You just make a ball in front of the SMG. When I shoot you, just make a ball.
I'm giving you legendary scar, okay? Take. Go.
Just make a
Thanks. You could have used that technique.
Take a reboot
No,
card.
it's not working. It's not working.
Where is another reboot card? That's an Eden mine. Bro, the reboot card machine is so far. Nihal, do you have an adjacent seat, Nihal?
We can go to sprint on this one. We can go over here because we're going there and die over there. We can go over here. Near sprint on. No. There's a freaking list.
But how do we know that if it's working or not?
It's working. I know. Because that's why it's the sign is here. Yeah, fast. Let's
Sprint on is the other side.
Natty, go through this thing. Natty, go to the zone line. You can meet. Go to the zone line. Go.
This side?
No, straight to the zone line.
Nikhil, I dismantled this.
Dismantle it.
Yeah. Where is yours?
No. Going okay.
Collected.
Go.
Your legendary GOG, and I'll take GOG.
Bro, this water.
Bro, no GOG bullets only.
They took my wheels.
Who?
Yeah.
Shall I stand here?
You go follow Natty, bro. Go in Natty.
Let me just open this thing.
No, bro. Eden man, there's one. No.
Your car, nearby. Natty, where how do you get in, bro? Just this thing, bro, car.
There's a purple shotgun there.
Yeah. Take this car, man. Take this car. There was a car right there.
Nihal, come.
Yeah, you go. I already took the landing kills reboot card. You go.
Go straight and go fast. Don't go to the road. Go actually straight. Now go straight. I'll see the map and I can go straight. Go straight. Don't go inside. You're going inside, bro. Don't go inside.
Outside or in?
Outside you're going, bro. Go get inside.
Why to get inside? Springtown is outside.
Okay, now go straight. Go straight.
Straight from here.
Straight.
Natty, you have to reboot, please, huh? Was gone.
Yeah, turn a bit here. Go straight. No, very side, straight. Go move this side.
Remember to bandage.
You tell me you're seeing the map.
Straight, full straight now.
On top?
Not out.
One more guy got rebooted. Oh my gosh, near me there's a guy. There's a guy near me, shit.
Here, somewhere. Here.
Gosh, killed another guy, bro.
Go there. Fast. There.
I'm rebooting you. What's wrong with you?
Killed a guy, bro.
Email has been recalled. Go on. Why can't I board this vehicle?
Oh my god, now you dead.
Yeah, dead, bro. One pro guy killed me. I killed his teammate. But bro, I was roaming in the garden. What can I do? Ambi guy again killed me.
Nihal has been eliminated.
I killed his teammate. He's the another guy came and he. And get out of the car and kit. Bandage. Which way you're going? Oh my god, you're dead. You got on the running car, bro. This girl.
Oh my god.
Now Nikhil go direct to this. Nikhil is gonna die now. It's a funny game, guys.
I'm so lazy.
Okay, chapter I'm going.
So I want to see
I
this.
quit.
Guys, let's see what Nikhil is doing. Nikhil Champ already is a noob, guys. Simply car, the running car. Oh my. You'll get legendary car. Legendary AWP. Take dismantle bot and start make it. Fast, make it. And go inside purple goggles. Oh my gosh, guys, let's go. Guys, I guess we can come second in this game.
You get rebooted?
No, bro, chuck it. Two pros, bro, they are. They came with the car and one guy killed easily. Noob guy. He was simply pooping. I shot him and then one guy came in cockpit. I started vomiting. And then after that guy killed me. I killed him 65 and then I died. I cannot handle two people, bro. They're very tough. I didn't build also anything that time.
Guys, I have one legendary only. 2 shotguns. 2 fair shot. Okay, one good shotgun.
Yeah, I don't think so. He's gonna make. Oh, Nikhil, over there. Yeah. So headshot. I need, please.
You give?
Yeah, kill him. Yes, good one. He killed another guy with legendary AWP. Let's go, guys. We can think we can win this game or else fail this game.
Somewhere I got another kill. Let's go.
Now Nikhil has got 3 defeats. Oh. So guys, now we are think we can win this game, but I don't think so. He can do this alone. Do the dismantle bot, man. Do the dismantle bot.
No.
Do it.
Where did she die?
Do the
Oh,
dismantle
shit.
bot.
Wait a second, bro. Look, she's on.
Oh my god, there Nikhil, that side also, that mountain also.
Oh my.
Dismantle bot, Nikhil.
Why, bro? No use.
It'll break building for you, no, at least. That you can use, or simply getting it, or not using it, no use. Make it at least, huh? Good. At least.
Free.
Free, keep it free for some time, yeah. Okay. Go near these people. Go near fall down and die now, I think.
Oh shit.
Come on, man, we need to win, bro. Go near these people.
There was trees, so then I got really scared.
Okay, don't go. Just stand over here and wait. If they're... Yeah, now go near the reboot card. Oh my god, a dismantle bot came here.
Shit. The crap is breaking. Oh my god, you have to run away from here.
Bhai.
Because these people. Oh my gosh.
Shotgun.
Oh my gosh. Oh, 70-26. Second position, of course.
Oh, guys, you killed this guy. No, yeah, he got this thing.
You got rebooted, guys. Guys, funny game, but we came second still. With a cool demon fairy costume.
And
Guys,
I came straight. Man.
Bye-bye.
freaking next video.
Bye-bye.
See you, bye. Peace.